So good morning everyone. This is Ricky. Again, thank you for watching this video. So I created this product and sales monitoring dashboard with transaction entry to simplify the process. So let's go and let's add an additional record for this dashboard. So let's click this product entry, for example. Then we have two records right now, Mars 1 and Mars 2. So if I add another record, for example, I select Sun, so it will create a series number. So as you notice in your screen, we have SKU, barcode, description, and department. So let's say, for example, I add the Sun, it will create new record below in this location. So for example, sunflower, flower 101, 150, and the category is 04, for example, and the unit price is 350. So if I click save, Sun is created right below. You see on your screen. If I added another one, for example, Sun, so it will create a new series uh, for this record. So for example, I add new description, sunflower 102, same price, category is 04, and unit price, for example, is 250, and then click save. So Sun 02 is created in this location. And then let's say, for example, I added new SKU, for example, Venus. Venus will create a new series, right? Right? So Venus 101, 150, category is 4, and then 250. Click save. So Venus is created right below. So thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and this is the dashboard right away. So thank you everyone, and have a nice day. Good morning.